Hello, I'm Beth Harrington. Welcome to today's question of the week. We had a question from one of our blog commenters asking for more details on our blog about splitting a plan in two to avoid the CPA audit requirement. And he asked about a code section that allows for the splitting of a plan in two. So I'd like to comment on that. So actually there's nothing in the law that says that you can split a plan in two, but there's also nothing in the law that says you cannot split a plan in two. So this issue has come up at IRS and DOL meetings and conferences where they have been in attendance, and the discussion has come up. So in reality, the Department of Labor does not want you to split a plan just to avoid the CPA audit, but there are reasons why a company might want to split a plan. So we'll talk about those. So one would be if you have a group of employees in one location and another group of employees in another location. Sometimes there might be a circumstance of convenience to have two separate plans. In some cases, you have different classes of employees, and you want one plan for one set of employees, another plan for another group of employees. All of these reasons are perfectly fine. The plans, if they are split, still have to be tested together as one company's plan. So there's really no advantage to changing the plan design requirements or anything like that, because the plan will have to pass all of the minimum coverage rules and the non-discrimination rules as if it was one big happy plan. But to avoid a $10,000 or $15,000 CPA audit can certainly be an advantage in many circumstances. You do end up paying administration for two separate plans, but the administration is often less than the audit requirement would be. So while there are companies that choose to split plans in two to avoid the CPA audit, there are plans that are split in two for very good business reasons, and we want to be able to help our clients understand what the pros and the cons are of taking such actions. So I appreciate our blog commenter. Thank you very much for responding and asking this question so that we could talk about it today. And please join me next week for another question of the week.